Hi, good morning. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay. Dito tayo sa Greenland. So dito, dun sa duplex na to, isa na lang po yung available. Okay. So yung garage is good for one SUV. Then meron kayong space for garden. Diyan. So depende sa needs nyo. Kung gusto nyo siyang gawing garden. Then we have the open layout design. Okay. Dito sa ating ground floor. So ito yung ceiling niya. Okay. Yung full description, popost ko na lang po. No? Makikita nyo na po pagka pinost ko. Yung full description. Okay. Di sa likod, good for service area. Okay, so konting linis lang naman po ito. Right? So ito yung space for sa ating ground floor. Dito yung ating powder room. Okay. Tara, akit tayo sa second floor. So ito yung first bedroom dito. Okay. So kiddies room po. Okay. Ito, kwarto rin pero hindi po mabuksan eh. Okay. Nakalock po siya. Pero yung size nito is decent for adult po. Okay. Then ito yung kanyang common toilet and bath. Dito sa ating master's bedroom, may sarili pong balcony, toilet and bath, and walk-in closet. Okay. Pakita ko yung space ng ating master's bedroom. Okay. Ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. So ito yung balcony. Then, ito yung ating walk-in closet. Alright. So, yun lang for now. Again, ipopost ko na lang po yung ating yung full description ng property, including the price. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.